Hi guys, so today we're having a look at another product from the kind of Plex copycat line of Revolution. So this is the Bond Restore Hydra mask, and this is the product number 9, so each product has a different number. Can't remember off the top of my head. I think 5 and 6 are the shampoo and the conditioner. I think 7 was the heat protectant. I could be totally wrong. Anyway, this is the mask. It's £15 for 220 millilitres. I read the instructions this time. So you shampoo and condition your hair. It's meant to be used in sequence with the other products. So you shampoo, condition your hair, towel dry it, work the product through and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Will this tell me the answer about what the shampoo is? No, it doesn't. Anyway, so I've got a little before and after type section on this. Scent wise, I can't tell you what it is. It's kind of sweet, kind of fruity, but I can't identify an actual fruit that it reminds me of, just that it's sweet and fruity. So, quite nice. But yeah, let's see how my hair looked before and how this all went. Right, so my hair isn't in too bad nick just now. Even though I bleached my roots and stuff last week, I also got trim last week, so it's not in the worst condition. We've not really got any split ends, and it's not really doing that thing at the end where it's like pushing away from itself. That being said, it's still not, you know, entirely soft and flowing and drooping. It still sticks out when I hold it like this. Flynn's having a wee explore today. So this is meant to be a bond restoring, softening, should fix any flyaways. To be honest with you, and I've got white paper to show you this. I haven't washed my hair for a couple of days because I'm trying to keep the colour really bright and I wasn't going anywhere. But usually, you can see down here, I do usually have little tufts and bits sticking out. I definitely have shorter wispy bits that need help smoothing down. So yeah, we will have a shower, wash my hair. Apparently you wash and condition your hair, towel dry, and then use this. And you leave it in for quite a while, 20 minutes, I think. Where's my instructions? Where are my instructions? Well, they're on the website anyway. So, 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, not too bad. So I'm off to do that now. Right, so we're back. I followed instructions and oh my god, my hair looks so smooth. I'm actually going to see how smooth it looks in the morning as well because I'm curious. But at the moment, I almost can't feel going through my hair. It's like, whee, no resistance, just going straight through. It's pretty amazing actually. So I normally put a hair oil in before I use heat protectant. I didn't do that this time. But it look how much more, you know, droopy it is. I know this, like, I do this in every hair mask video. I wonder how many people think I'm odd. Is it just me that thinks my hair should droop? And, you know, that's a sign that it's in better nick. But yeah, I'm curious to see if it's still smooth in the morning. So, white paper. Hi, Flynn. I have like 0 almost little fluffy up bits. It is so smooth. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm going to check back in the morning when I'm just up and see if it's crazy or if it still looks so well behaved. Morning guys, so my voice is still warming up. It is first thing in the morning, just after 25 to 8. So yeah, I've not brushed my hair yet, I've not touched it. I've got my white paper again because I know my background on my hair is not great. Can you tell which side I sleep on? This one. So in terms of like frizzy bits, I've got a little bit, but nothing major. So I would say this is still kind of kept going. I'll put my helpful paper down. I'm going to give it a brush and just see what we're like tug-wise. Ooh, very little tugging. Wow. Okay. Huh. That's pretty cool. Because the less tugs, the less chance of breakage, which means long term those little frizzy bits are going to be reduced as well. Okay, so let's see how smooth it looks now with a just simple brush for you. Okay, yeah, so very minimal considering how many little broken bits I have. Little frizzies, there's some little nice ones. Yeah, so I'm impressed. This is, to me anyway, this is definitely worth the money. It's a bit difficult to show you how much I used because I don't know if you can see there, it was definitely like tipped over to this side of the the packet, so this whole side was empty before. So yeah, I think I probably get about 6 uses out of this, and I have reasonably long, reasonably thick hair. So to me, with the results that I've got, for say £2.50 a use, yeah, I mean if you use this once a week, last you a month and a half, I would say absolutely worth the money. Definitely in the goodbye category. I can smell it a little bit on my hair. I think if I had followed this up with everything else, I can't imagine my hair feeling any softer, if I'm perfectly honest with you, or being any smoother or being any less tuggy. But perhaps if you've just quite recently bleached your full head, potentially use your full head of hair, potentially using the full collection would be beneficial. But yeah, I am very, very happy with this. I definitely see myself repurchasing it, and my hair doesn't feel weighed down. A good way to show my hair isn't weighed down is that I've still got my wavy sections underneath, whereas if a product weighs it down, this tends to sit a little bit straighter. So yeah, if you've got any questions, pop them down below. I'm on my way to finish waking up. I literally haven't even brushed my teeth or washed my face yet. That's how straight out of bed I am to give you this update. But yeah, any questions, leave them down below. If you've liked the video, click the like button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.